Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing February Patreon Part 2 STL files. Um, if you do like D&D, Warhammer, proxies, and figures to 3D print, we're going to go to look through a few of them, and we'll put the links down on the bottom for you guys as well. If you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down link below, and let's begin. So we have Heroes Infinite by Heroes Infinite. They're doing Cyberpunk. Their sculpts are actually really good. Letting you guys know. So these are like $10, and you get a lot of these. Some of these you actually might be able to use for Warhammer Proxy, but if you're doing like a modern or cyberpunk a role-playing game, this might be good too, as well. But either way, yeah, it's a very good model to have. So yeah, yeah. I'm sorry if I'm not, you know, not really in talking right now because, dude, I had to put BMO down today. Um, so we will have her ashes by the weekend or next week. So yeah, but I'll have more of the talk about that during the update video because I had to fight with a doctor. But anyhow, this is really good to see everything what's going. You have your tanks and your troops and everything else. Very good sculpt. I'd like to know what kind of paint they're using. It doesn't look like much of contract, but a lot of airbrushing technique that it looks like they're doing. So yeah, become the overlord. These would be cool looking Necrons to have in your game. So, so yeah, this would be good to have in Necromunda. I forgot about Necromunda. This would be a very good models for Necromunda for Games Workshop. If you ever played Necromunda, I never did, but I like to paint some of the miniatures for it as well. That'll be it for Heroes Infinite. Next is our Arch Villain Games, a very good model as well. They're doing the fantasy and sci-fi for it. We'll go look through a whole bunch of these. This is the fantasy version of it. Looks like hill giants, I am guessing. I don't know. And this looks like one of the demon Prince of Nurgle. Be good to have as well. You have a fat dragon eating looks like a human or something. I think it's an undead fat dragon, or is a fat dragon with a human that's folded underneath his skin. That is kind of gnarly. We have a Borgask, a small guard that looks like a flail snail, but with just two flail heads. Sunhawk Ranger flying over a gator. Elephant, no, it's a Leiden something. I forgot there. Elephant folk. You got Jack Zelda half elf Metador. Metador for a Metador is a person that basically have the bull charge with the red cloth and everything for it. Cyclops, a lot of Cyclops. Problem with Cyclops and in D&D is they don't really they have their own little they're very isolated. They don't really have a society. So yeah, Ogre, Ogre 2. There's 3, 4. Hogmog. Looks like by a Warborg. It's kind of cool looking. Torlock. That's one of that blue guys. I forgot what that's called. That made a whole bunch of clones of itself, and it's like disproportionate body. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Biting the head off of it. That. How many torn locks do you really need? It's gonna be a fucking. This is gonna eat a lot. This is not probably the sci-fi version of it. More like Nurgle kind you want to have for your Nurgle army. Kind of cool to have. Have your old new Nurgle proxy armies right here. Oh, that is kind of cool looking right there. Oh, the big freaking meat grinders and shit. Yeah, this would be kind of cool to have. Rotting chapters. Yeah, yeah. If you're interested, the link will be down below for it. I think we're almost done. I'm looking, and this is the first time for me looking through all of this for it. Let me see. Clay Cyanide Miniatures. This is January one. They don't really do February toward the end of the month, but I'll put the link down for you guys in the bottom. For February, I think they only got the release for it. It's gonna be Infernal All Shall Burn Part 2. So it looks like one of those turtles turning fiendish. This is like one of those Pokemon they had before and make it realistic, and they just put flames on them. That's what it looks like to me right now. But the full thing is not really out yet. But there's the dragon. That looks actually really cool looking. This would be a perfect model just to airbrush. It's just for itself. The Infernal 2. Let me cancel that. Printed Obsession. Looks like we're doing the Ghostbuster ones. We got Igor. We got a Tiefling one. So this is like basically like, fantasy setting for catching monsters and ghosts. If you're interested, I think this would be pretty good for like Halloween setting. For your guys, there's that god I forgot, Zur, I believe it's called. The dog for it. Twin Goddess Miniatures. We got Karlak. We got Shadowheart. And we got some Thiefling Bard. I think we have a Ranger, a Fighter, and a Goblin Rogue, looks like it. I think this one's for the Valentine's Day special for it. Yeah, there's a Valentine's Day special. The Cupid, Goblin Cupid. And we have Epic. If it loads. So we have a whole bunch of stuff that's coming from Epic. We will not see a lot of them until we make them big. Like we got some dragons, large, small, and dead. We got some dwarves. Got dwarves drinking. Dwarves with a hammer. Got looks like an iron golem. We got some kind of a naga. Looks like it, or a djinn. I don't know. There's a dwarf. I think there's also a dwarf as well. Another dwarf. More dragons. Dragon riders. So looks like we're getting a lot of dwarves for this month on Epic. It's like $10 to get a whole bunch of these things. We got looks like a turtle. Looks like a mutated turtle. We got a Gorgon. Dwarven King. Got some goblins. Got some ram. Looks like a cat dragon. Or a war cat. Or it's supposed to be a bat. For bat riders. And this is the update for 2. So here's your terrain. We got some Egyptian ones. We got some Egyptian boats. Egyptian props. We got some Mummy Lord. That's of a pharaoh. So we don't have that much of a mummies, but I think these mummies good. Sphinx. Sphinx are really good to have. I don't know what kind of dragon. This a blue dragon worm, and I saw a blue dragon. Looks like it. Yep, blue dragon. Mummy warrior. This is probably good for what you call that. The Tomb King one for the old Warhammer set that you do proxies for to have different variations of it as well. But mummies are really good. I rarely use the mummy, but if I'm using a mummy, I'm gonna use the fermented mummy. That does a lot of damage and does fucks the player up. We got a crocodile champion and anti beast, Anubis beast. There's Anubis Owl cats, mummified cats, lion centaur, beastie devotee, cat goddess, beastie avatar. So we have a lot of good stuff that's coming up for it as well. I think that'll be it for you guys. We'll be going for the next one for part 3. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. The links will be down below. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, guys.